Good morning. This is Ahmed Mikhail from Oracle. Today I'm going to share with you a great opportunity from Oracle. We will cover three main points. The first point is Oracle certificate offer that is available this year. The second point, what will be included in this offer and who can benefit from this offer. The third is how to benefit from this offer. So let's get started. So first, that's Oracle is providing the Oracle OCI certificates for free till the end of this year. So you can get all OCI certificates for free. You can get the training and the certificates for free without paying anything. So it's a good opportunity that you can leverage to take advantage of this offer and hone your skills and get more knowledge about Oracle, as well as the concept and how can you use this in different other vendors whenever you need. So what will be so the second thing, what will be included in this offer? We have 15 certificates. They are divided in three categories. The first category is Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. The second category is Application Development, the data, and then the third is Data Management. So the Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, the first thing is the Foundation Associate track. This will give you the foundation of cloud in general. So it will give you what is the cloud concepts, the different cloud computing concept like IaaS, PaaS, SaaS, the difference between them, when to use cloud, what are the advantage you are going to get, how the cost is, how you pay for the cloud, the pricing models, and this stuff. So it's giving you the foundation about what the cloud is. So it can be a very good starting point for anyone without any cloud knowledge. The second course is the Architect Associate. This is a more technical course. It will explain to you exactly the core services in Oracle Cloud and show you how to build a solution based on those core services. So this is advanced for the technical people who is interested in Oracle. So, and actually the same concept applied to all other cloud vendors, Amazon, Google, Microsoft, the same concept apply for everyone. So it will go to explain you the concepts of the cloud, how to to build a solution in the cloud. Networking, from compute, storage, networks, DNS, all the core service that you need to build the solution. So then there is a cloud operation. This is more if you are administrator on Oracle Cloud. This will show you the administrative tools, the command line tools, the consoles, the how to automate your day-to-day operations. Then you have the Architect Professional. This is a more details. It's the second level of the Architect Associate. So it go deeper and they give you complex scenarios on building a completely solution on the cloud, but in a more details. In addition, it's a more complex and advanced scenarios. Then you have the developer associate. This is for cloud native applications. If you are willing to build the cloud native applications in the cloud, this is perfect for you. It will explain to you, for example, services like Kubernetes, API gateways, functions, streaming, all of this stuff that you use for cloud native applications. Then you have identity and security management. This is for security guys who want to secure their environment, regardless if this is environment on premise, on the cloud, in other application vendors. You can still utilize Oracle identity services to secure your environment. It will show you the different options that's available, the different services that you can utilize to secure your environment and make it more, because you know that especially when you go to the cloud, the security is #1 priority for you. So it will give you the exactly concepts that you need to secure a completely environment. Then you have system management certificate. This is more for monitoring your environment, regardless also whether there is this environment is on premises, on the cloud, on different cloud vendors. It doesn't matter. It will show you the service that how can you monitor your environment, including infrastructure, databases, applications, as well as building insights from monitoring this environment, making some also machine learning and predictive analytics about what could be happening in the future, what could be what do you expect if there is any capacity planning issues, if there is any failure that could be happening in the future. So it gives you exactly how to monitor your environment exactly in the correct way, and how to be proactive in working, how to be proactive when working in your environment, as well as whenever there is any action, it will, or there is any problem in your environment, it can pinpoint exactly what's the problem and where you need to start. Then we have the application development. We have 4 certificates in this category. The application integrations. This is if you are to integrate the multiple applications. For example, you have application on premise and you have application on the cloud. How to integrate those applications together? For example, you have e-business, for example, in premise, and you have Salesforce in the cloud. How to integrate those? Whenever you need, whenever you have a transaction happening in e-business, it can also be reflected in the Salesforce. So how can you do this? This is through the integrations. It's a very powerful tool to also process automation. If you want to automate some of your process, RPAs, robotic process automations. If you want to make some of your process approved automatically, how to, and when it can be approved automatically. So it as well as low code applications. If you want to build a small low code application, then this is can be that extension for your SaaS. Like if you have a SaaS, usually you need some customizations. This customization, you can build your own screens as a SaaS, and included it within your SaaS. So this can be customizing your SaaS or application, customizing your application to be fitting your business needs. Then you have application development. This is going to show you, explain to you exactly a lot of services that can be helping you in the development. There are different services, like for example, if you want to build a CI/CD life cycle pipelines, then it will give you the exact tools. How can you build this? How you can write your code? How you can have a secure environment for your code? How you can share your code? All of this good stuff. As well as if you are willing to build a cloud native application, then it will give you exactly about will show you some about the Kubernetes services, about what you will need to do in the DevOps environment. Then you will go also, it will show you also a low code approach. So if you want to build an application, but you don't want to write a lot of codes, so you want more to be drag and drops, and then just use JavaScript, adding only in whenever you need, that it will show you exactly how to do this. Then the digital assistance certificate. This is if you want to build a chatbot. Now everything is, we try to minimize the amount of effort that the human are doing. So a lot of people are utilizing chatbots now, and it can be available 24/7. It can be on give you your customer instantaneous feedback. So it's very good. So it will tell you how to build such chatbot in very easy way and very fast way. So it's very, it has also AI in it, so it can learn from whatever you experience that is it's gaining through the time. Then you have content management. This is how to make a digital assist, digitalizing all your contents in central repository, then take your, this is a smart central repository. So whenever you want to search, you have a smart searching based on tagging, based on whatever you like. For example, if you have a cat pictures, it doesn't need to be the title of it. It doesn't need to have be cat, but whenever you adding such picture, it smartly take whatever it is and put tags in it. It can read the documents and put tags on it. So whenever you are searching, you can search smart on those assets you have. Then you can take those assets that you are having in your repository and build websites, build blogs. So whatever you can, in very easy way, you can easily build your websites or blogs, as well as you can share, start to do collaboration between your different teams. Like you can start conversation on any assets. Like if you have a file on it, then you can tag someone, please review this file for me. Then once they review it, they click it, check it for you. This file is already checked and reviewed. So it's very it's very unique in building collaborative environment within your organization, and utilize all your assets to build quick user experience. Quick, like it can be like quickly you can build like websites, you can build blogs, whatever. Then we go for data management. You have fourth certificate here too. The database, the autonomous. The first certificate is autonomous. This is the latest Oracle technology about for database. This is a self-driving database. It's self-tuning, security, self-patching, backups. All the day-to-day work. It do it automatically for you. It's tuning the application. All you need to do is just upload your data, and that's it. And it will keep. It has an AI in its core that it keep learning about what from the workload, and it keep adaptive your database according to what was loaded. It can scale up, scale down automatically. It's very unique offer. It's just you just need to the load your data, and that's it. And it will go and focus on your business, like building some dashboards, building some machine learning and this stuff to utilize the data within your database. Then you have the cloud, the database services. Will be the different the Oracle cloud, the Oracle database, the standard Oracle databases like Exadata running on or bare metal, like on virtual machines. It will tell you the different it will tell you the difference between those options and when to use each one of them and how to use it. Then you have the migration, the database migration and the integrations. This is whenever you having when you are looking to migrate your database from on-premise to the cloud, or from one platform, usually from on-premise to the cloud. So it will give you it will show you a lot of different options about this, like the database, the golden gates, like the data guard, like the data bump, like the RMAN, like SQL developer. A lot of tools, different tools. That's zero data management. It will tell you a lot of tools, new tools that's Oracle built for doing such migration. Then you have enterprise analytics. If you are analytic guy that's interested in BI and business intelligence and building insights, building dashboards, making your data in a compelling story, showing it in a more compelling way that the business can understand. This will be a perfect course for you. This analytics also can connect to your on-premise database or your cloud, or actually it can connect also to SaaS, to different SaaS applications. So it's very unique service that's help you to build a lot of to build visualization in a very easy way. It also also has machine learning in it. You can build a lot easily. Can build machine learning through your data, and you can build data flows to get data from different places. Build the data lake. It's very compelling for people who is interested in this area of business intelligence. Those are the currently 15 certificates available in a nutshell. For sure, if you once you click on any of this, it will give you the details about this about the certificate. So how can I benefit from it? Everyone can benefit from this. You just need to have a account on Oracle Learning. Once you then you start to take your the course. Most probably you will need to take like at least 80%. Some courses is less than this, but you need it will in each course it will tell you exactly how many what the amount of time that you need before you can register for the exam. Then you then book your exam before the December 31. Then you have here we have a section for frequently asked questions. So this will give you what the most question that's frequently asked. For example, how many times can I take the exam for free? Here Oracle giving you a very good offer. It's 3 times. You can take the exam for free for 3 times. So in case of you didn't success in the first time, you will be able to take it one more time. There's no problem. And there is a lot of more frequency asked questions. So I will put this link in the description of the video. I hope this will be helpful for you, and I hope you all be able to get benefits from this new offer and scale up your skills and get more certificates. Wish you most of luck. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.